Let's talk business. President Uhuru Kenyatta has directed the National Treasury and the Attorney General to review the legal and operational framework of the Tax Appeal Tribunal. The President has further ordered a review of tax dispute appeals to superior courts, as well as the provisions of the Tax Procedures Act, so as to ensure tax disputes are fast-tracked.
Pressure to collect revenue has over the recent months seen the taxmen resort to extra-legal tax collection measures, including the detention of goods at the ports and the issuance of agency notices for cases being determined by the tax tribunal. These measures have been routinely declared illegal by the High Court.
I therefore direct the National Treasury, together with the Attorney General's Office, to move to review the legal operational framework of the Tax Appeal Tribunal and the onward appeals to superior courts, as well as the provision of the Tax Procedures Act, so as to ensure that tax disputes are resolved in an even more efficient and expedited manner.
In a move expected to define the rules as well as streamline operations of the Tax Appeal Tribunal, President Uhuru Kenyatta has directed the National Treasury and the Attorney General to review the legal and operational framework of the Tax Appeal Tribunal. President Kenyatta further ordered a review of the onward appeals to the superior courts, as well as the provisions of the Tax Procedures Act, so as to ensure tax disputes are resolved efficiently. This comes in the wake of taxpayer apathy over delays in dispute resolution.
I also want to commend KRA on the launch of iWhistle, an online platform that enables the public to report on tax malpractices, including fraud, concealment, and unethical behavior by some KRA staff. This marks another milestone in the entrenching ethos of good governance as part of our social fabric and as part of the fight against corruption and tax evasion.
During this year's KRA Taxpayers' Day celebrations, the Kenya Revenue Authority launched a web-based anonymous reporting solution dubbed iWhistle, aimed at, among others, enabling the public to anonymously report and provide tax crime leads.
There is a good reason for us to boost the utilization of this iWhistle system. And in this regard, today I direct that the National Treasury and the Kenya Revenue Authority amend the Informer Award Scheme to increase the reward amount from a current maximum of 2 million Kenya shillings to 5 million Kenya shillings. I also urge KRA and its partners in the multi-agency framework to maintain their vigilance against tax evasion schemes, particularly those designed and orchestrated by professional service providers and financial institutions.
President Kenyatta noted that there was need to stem tax evasion and other economic crimes that impede effective mobilization of domestic financial resources required for national development.
Ladies and gentlemen, in addition, the progress made in fostering an alternative dispute resolution approach for tax disputes is also highly commendable. This has resulted in KRA experiencing a 20% growth in alternative dispute resolution in the last financial year, a sign that trust and facilitation is now at the center stage of dispute resolution in tax matters.
In the last financial year, KRA profiled 1,309 individuals and companies and identified tax evasion schemes that could have cost the government approximately 259 billion shillings in revenue. During the same period under review, KRA intercepted various illicit products brought into the country worth 1.2 billion shillings. Regina Manyara reporting for Channel 1 Business.